Bridging to a sustainable future. The Miljöbron pedestrian bridge in Södertälje, Sweden, provides a vital link across the busy E4 highway. In 2018, Södertälje needed to replace a wooden bridge that had reached the end of its life, after only 20 years of use. The city wanted its new bridge to have a long service life and decided to build the bridge using Outokumpu's Forta duplex stainless steel. As well as lasting 120 years or more, the new bridge needs little or no maintenance in terms of painting or coatings. As a result, it will be less costly, avoid road closures, and have lower environmental impact over its lifetime. These are all major benefits to society. Finally, being a modular bridge, installation was straightforward. The two segments of the Miljöbron bridge were installed in just 5 days, and it is now providing a lifetime of service to the people of Södertälje.